Hello, hello, what's up, my friends? Yeah, it's me again, Shamtam. Yeah, I'm so happy to see you here, and I love it to be here and to be here for you. Because I'm here to help you to find the truth. Yeah. It's the only truth which exists. There are no other truths out there. It's the main truth, you know? And the truth is we don't know anything about us. Yes, this is the truth. And yes. That's the holy truth that we are built, we are evolved, and we are here on earth, and we can walk, we can dance, we can jump, and we can fly around and make the good things happen, and we can make the bad things happen, and we can make everything happen. Yes, because we have the choice and we don't know anything. Yes. So we are here to have the experience for our life. Then we are gonna learn. We are gonna learn how to swim. We are gonna learn how to feel. We are gonna learn how to survive. Yeah, this is here on Earth. It's a very beautiful planet, but it's a very dangerous planet too, because here are so much danger in here on this earth. Yes, and now there is a new danger. Yes, in the past the danger were the humans itself. Yeah, we make wars. Like today we make wars too, but not so much like before. We are more connected than 100 years before. But that's not enough. We have to connect more, so we can survive, because this is our what we have to do here on earth is to survive. Okay, and the the life is made for endless, for infinity. Is a life made like the earth is circling around the sun, and when they do it stops, when do the sun stops? Yes, when the sun is going out. When do the sun is an infinity burning ball? uh, Not infinity, are burning very long, you know. And after our researches, is the sun uh, burns for 6 billion years. Yes, and now humans, we we are gonna die. Yes, it stands in the stars. You know, we don't know anything, but the earth is our home, and we are kicking of our home with our behavior, you know. Yes, and now we have to make I with the world. I, yeah. And we have to fit into the world. Not the world have to fit on us like it was before. No. We have to fit into this world. There is a forest and we cut the forest away, but this is our wealth. Sorry, wealth. This is our forest. Yes, there we are coming from the ocean and then we go on the street, right? No, we go into the forest because there is the life itself, okay? But we humans, we say no forest, we cut it down and make houses on the ground. And but this is wrong. We have to adjust and to adapt into this nature, okay? Like the other animals, you see them, they are living with the nature, not they don't put the nature and say the nature have to live with us. No, they have said but they they are living adapting to the nature. And we human are a part of this nature and depending on this nature. Yes, this nature is our home. So our home, our home is a very, very big, complex building. And this building we cannot simulate on the street. It's not possible. This life has to be in the forest. Okay? So what we have to do is to let the world grow. That there is all forest all over the world like it was. Like it was 1,000 years before, I don't know, 100 years, 20 years. I don't know. But it was a time they were all forest. And the forest is saving our water. The forest is a point of living. There in the forest we have everything. So there is not so hot. The trees are spending cold wind and shadow to sleep. And the fruits from the trees, everything comes from the forest. Okay? So the forest is what we have to build. That we are surviving. That's the point. We have to survive. And now we are so much humans, we can only survive together. In hand in hand. So we have to put our hands together and survive. This is our task. This is our task, our duty, our mission. This is what we have to do here on earth. To adapt to this earth. To adapt. So we have to let the forest grow high, grow big, grow beautiful. That's the heaven on earth. This is our nature. This is our wealth. If this is gone, we don't have a home anymore. And our home is our life. We have to survive in our home, our Mother Nature. So, what do we do here on Earth? What do we do? We make our home broken for our new homes. You know, you have a house. It's nice. Yeah, I have a house. Cool. Cool. And I put plants in the house. Look. Yeah. And when they are insects, I kill them all. Because they're not going into my house. They can go in the forest. Huh? We don't have so much forest anymore? And nearly every forest is there we are taking trees and make the forest ill. We make the forest broken. What? So where should the insects go? Ah, yes, they could die or what? And then what is with it, the insects, huh? We need them. Everything is built on these insects. This is a very, very important part of our food chain. Yes, very small animals are living from these insects. Small animals like birds, like spiders, like much things, fishes, and these insects, when they are gone, then what shall they eat? The fish. What shall they eat? The spiders. Shall they get vegetarian like many peoples of us, or vegan? Yes, should be, or it's the best way to live. It's vegetarian. It's out there, the meaning. No, that cannot be, you know? It's a part of our life that we have our wealth. And the wealth comes from much animals. There are coming the wealth from. So if there are not so much insects, then there's not so much wealth. That's a chain. A chain. Ching, ching, chain. Chain, yes. So the insects are very important. And they are almost gone. Like in Germany, there are only 25% insects of 100% in the last 20 years. We lost 75% of insects. 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 15 years ago, I drive with my car, and there were so many insects on my car. On my car, yes. I kill them by driving. And now we take the living room, we take the environment of the insects away, because every field has to be set. And this makes the insects dead. Yes, because we are putting so much chemicals on this field too, and we make dumb shit, you know? We think the nature has to adapt to us. What do we think we are? Are we gods or what? Are we own planets for ourselves or what? No, we are depending on this planet. That's the point. We depending on this planet. Yes, and everything what's in there. So if the planet is healthy, then we have a good future. A good future. It's not easy when there are many insects. I know, but it's our future, which depending on these insects. The and time before there were so many birds in the sky. Where are the birds? They have no food anymore. They are almost gone. There were so many birds, and they need the forest too. They need the forest too. So I make an appel on your good sense. I appeal on your good sense that you see that you see that's a food chain, and we can only change something if we change our minds. Okay? We have to put our minds into one mind. Yes, and mind which have this all in it. Okay? We have to put the insects and put it into our mind. Then we can change. If we see the importance of everything, then we can change. But if we are living in our own bubble, everybody lives in his own bubble, then we can't see this. Okay? We can't see this, what this means, that these insects are our wealth. It's our wealth. Yes, you may not like them. They are ugly as fuck. You know, when you go very near and make the face bigger from a, what I don't know, from a beautiful butterfly, it's very ugly, I know. But they are beautiful too. My opinion too. It's both. It's like everything, yin and yang, bing and bang, baga baga boom. And these beautiful insects have a home too. This is our earth. Is that not beautiful? We are here on heaven because we have so much wealth. Not money in the pocket is not wealth. This is human wealth. This is shit for our world. So we have to put the wealth from the nature in our heart, and this begins with the smallest parts, smallest living beings, and this is the small element, and it's there in the food chain. So the insects are so important. We can see them. The smaller animals we can't see, but the insects we can see. And these insects want eat too, like you. They press air like you too. They have the same DNA like you too. Your DNA is similar to a fly to 70% or like that. Did you know that? You are to 70%. Are you a fly? A fly around. Can you fly? Yeah, then you have to fly now. You have to fly up in the air. Fly up and see the world. Yes. Where is green? 200 years before, everything was green. And now? There's no much green anymore. It's even getting less green and less green. No, they say getting more green now. That's good point. But in some countries, they shit on the green for money, for human wealth. Yes, they make the rainforest. Yes, money, 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 money. We cut the forest down. Yep. Cut it down, cut it down. We cut it down. Yes, and then we are rich. Yeah, I can buy me everything I want, which is coming from our mother nature. I'm buying me a car. Woo, yeah, driving fast. And then the forest is gone. The animals in the forest have no environment anymore. They are gone too. They extinct. And then someday, it's not happen fast. It's happen slowly. But when there is a point which we are not coming back, then it's too late. And this point can come. It is right in front of us. So this point is very dangerous. If we reach this point, then we are all dead. We are all dead. Sooner or later, we are dead. Yes, we go under the earth. And what do we have then? Left? Nothing. Our kids? Nothing. The kids from our kids? Nothing. The life was meant to be infinity. But we humans think, no. I am living only 70 years. What for infinity? I want to have fun. So shit of the world. Or what? And what's with our kids? And the kids? Are they are not deserving to live. You deserve to live, but they not. Or what? So we can do something. We can do something that our kids are having a world which they say, thank you, mama, thank you, papa, for this world. Because it's a healthy world. And I can live here for many, many years. And I can have my kids too, like you. And they are living here too. And they can have some kids. And it goes up and up. And at the same time, we make new technology. We make so nice technology. I love technology. But only if the nature is healthy, then we are having a good technology. Everything else is in shit technology, which are not serving us. What is serving us is the nature, because the technology comes from the nature. So is the nature the thing we have to protect? We have to kiss. We have to hug the nature. We have to apologize to nature. We have to be thankful for the nature, and we have to love the nature. This is our mission here on earth. Our mission impossible. You know, this is the mission impossible, because we love more the things which are coming out of the nature. We don't see that these things are made from us humans with small steps, small steps. And it begins somewhere in the Neanderthaler time. And the Neanderthaler makes a stone, bong, 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 make fire. And then he make a hammer and make tools. And that was the beginning. And then the next Neanderthaler make it better, and the next make it better, and better, and better. And now, look where we are. We are at the high, not at the high peak, but we are, technology are very, very, very forward. But our nature is going down like this. Technology up, nature down. Okay? Technology here, nature dead. This is the end. This is the end. Is that that's what we want to do? Is that what we want to do? To go into the end? No. No. Our home has to be protected. If you are with the same opinion, then share my video. If you have the same opinion, then put it into the comments. If you are against what I say, put it in the opinions too. And if you love me, then put the like me button now.